Oster, large, 6-slice, convection toaster oven. Review. Are you looking for large capacity, countertop toaster oven, for faster, gas-free, and more even cooking? Large toaster oven, by Oster, is ideal for home cooks, who want precise heat, and time adjustments, for flakier crusts, crispier edges, and even browning, in less time. Why choose large capacity toaster oven, by Oster? Why the Oster oven? And how this large oven stands apart from others. This large capacity countertop oven, by Oster, features convection baking, that circulates hot air, in large interior of oven, to make flakier crusts, crispier edges, and even browning, in less time. In addition, it lets you broil, roast, toast, and more, with the convenience of an oven. This countertop oven has a large interior that will give you true second oven convenience. It can accommodate a variety of foods, from thin pizzas to thick roasts, with its 2 rack positions. Plus, you can broil your food at any temperature for proper browning and melting, whether your London broil calls for a 500-degree oven, or you want to melt Parmesan on bruschetta at a lower temperature. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Performance. Excellent on the whole. As a general rule of thumb, convection cooking takes about 1/4 less time than normal cooking. You should also lower the temperature by 25 degrees. And this large capacity convection toaster by Oster is great for faster and more even cooking. One-touch cooking functions guide you to perfection. The user-friendly digital control panel makes for easy operation. Choose from convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, warm, and more. You can adjust time and temperature with one-touch controls. 7 preset functions are there for gas-free cooking and choice of toast shade, from light to dark. Constructed with the best materials. The sleek, modern-looking unit features a stainless finish frame, black housing, with chrome accents. See-through door for checking on food at a glance. An interior light, an easy-to-clean interior, and an external, removable crumb tray. Large interior capacity. This countertop oven has a large interior that will give you true second oven convenience. It can accommodate a variety of foods, from thin pizzas to thick roasts, with its 2 rack positions. The 90-minute timer is there to automatically shut off the oven. Warranty and verdict. You have a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. Cleaning is impressively easy. Price worth the money. Retailing for roughly $120, this is one of the more moderately priced convection ovens on the market. It's ideal fit for big families. Based on over 7,360 customer reviews and overall 4.6-star rating on Amazon. Extra large toaster oven by Oster is a must for you if you desire a countertop oven that bakes the perfect pizza, delicious cookies, toasts evenly, and roasts succulent meat. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Great toaster oven. I'm very happy with my first toaster oven. I wanted a more efficient way to reheat foods than using the oven. This turned out to be the perfect choice. I had looked at a more expensive Breville convection toaster oven, but in comparing the two, side by side, I decided to go with the Oster, not just for the almost $200 savings, but for the look. I just love the black finish and curved sides. It blends so nicely in my kitchen. Says Joni J. 5 stars. 5 gold star oven. I purchased this the first day of the new year, and I absolutely love it. It's very space-saving, compact, medium-sized, and perfect for a corner on the counter. I love how the oven beeps when the time is up, food is done. This oven is super fast, heats really well, and the instructions for baking was really easy to understand, and setting up the clock was a breeze. I am so happy with my purchase. I am so thankful I don't have to use my big oven anymore. This oven is also easy to clean up as well. I love this oven. I highly recommend it to everyone. It's a must-have for sure. Says Julie. 5 stars. Wonderful countertop oven. I was in the process of converting from an electric range to a gas range when COVID-19 struck. We were told that technicians from the gas company could not connect the gas line to my new gas range, due to the coronavirus pandemic. So, here I am without a way to cook, in the middle of a stay-at-home order. I ended up ordering this oven, and it is absolutely wonderful. I love the convection feature, and how easy it is to prepare all types of food, from baked foods to broiled meats. It does heat up the space around it, due to the spacing gap between the inside of the oven and the door. However, it performs well, and is easy to clean. Says A. B. Allen. 5 stars. Works great. I have an older version of this toaster oven, and I really like it, but after a while the grease accumulates, no matter how much you try to clean it. This one is slightly easier to clean, but my experience with toaster ovens is that you have to accept the fact that based on the size, you can't expect it to look new for very long. I am keeping the older one for art projects, since it still works great, just not too attractive. I did have to look up a convert formula online to determine how long to cook using the convection option, because it was not available. Not everyone is familiar with convection oven temperatures versus regular oven temperatures, so that is my only problem with it. Simple solution. Says Carmen Iris. 3 stars. Worth it. Decent toaster oven for the price. Features I like. Oven light, spacious, crumb tray, convection setting. Initially, the toaster setting was burning the bread, but after subsequent attempts, the controls seem to settle down, and is now browning the toast nicely. The one gripe I have is that the clock is fast. I would set the toaster's clock the same as all the other appliances in the kitchen, and after a few days, the toaster clock would be at least 3 minutes ahead of the other clocks. Says Jim Sands. 1 star. Don't trust this product. My Oster toaster oven worked just fine for 2 months. Then the clock and timer did not work at all, and the baking would just stop and automatically cut off. I would have to restart the baking and try to estimate the time needed to complete the process. The toaster oven was warranted only for 1 month. I did not catch that returnable date until I tried to return. I would not recommend this to anyone. Says Sarah. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.